This brand new HP Omen gaming PC just came in my shop because it was more expensive to configure the system with 2 terabytes of SSD storage than to buy 4 terabytes aftermarket.
Which is something you should always keep an eye on when buying these pre-built systems,
because it's an easy way to save you some money.
So today, that's what we're gonna add.
In order to do this, we first need to disconnect the system from power. And even though we could just use this first M.2 slot, which is pretty easy to access,
In order to maximize storage,
we're gonna actually want to remove this GPU support bracket along with the GPU itself, because this reveals a second M.2 slot right under this little plastic cover. And because we're gonna want our fastest drive in the first slot, we're gonna first move our factory 1 terabyte drive down to that second slot. This way we can put our faster 4 terabyte drive in the first slot,
as almost every manufacturer prioritizes that first slot,
giving us 5 terabytes of blazing fast NVMe storage for less than the cost of 2 terabytes
on HP's configurator.
So with that good, let's go ahead and reinstall our GPU along with the support bracket. And I also forgot to mention our customer also requested some more USB ports, so I added an add-in card. And then because our new 4 terabyte drive is actually a faster drive,
We're gonna wanna make that our C drive.
so to make that happen, because nothing was installed on this, we're gonna go ahead and reinstall Windows by plugging in our installation media. And then on our first startup, because this is an HP system, we're gonna wanna press escape on our keyboard to open up the BIOS startup menu. And if we go down to the boot menu, we need to select that USB as our boot drive, as this loads the Windows 11 setup tool, allowing us to clear off the old operating system off that 1 terabyte drive, so we can install Windows 11 on our much faster 4 terabyte drive. And just like that, Windows is now installed on our 4 terabyte drive, but where's our other drive?
Well, when we deleted it to remove its operating system,
We deleted the partition in the process. So right now, it just doesn't have a drive letter assigned, nor is it formatted. The good thing is it's an easy fix. If we just right click the Windows icon, then select disk management, we'll see that we have 953 gigabytes of unallocated space. So if we just right click right here, then click new simple volume, this will launch the new simple volume wizard, which will let us assign it a drive letter and format the drive, allowing it to now show up in File Explorer. So with this PC now upgraded with 5 terabytes of total storage, all for less than what HP wanted to charge. So with the system now upgraded, let's get this gaming PC back over to our customer.